Hello everyone, this is Wick, and today I'm going to show you 5 editing tricks hack. It's going to save your life. So first, there's my footage. Okay, so let me just show you. So I'm going to cover the number plates because I don't want to show it in the public. So the only thing you're going to do is that you're going to duplicate this. Okay, so we're going to hold Alt. Then you drag it. So when you hold Alt, you're going to drag it. So when you drag it, just use the pen tool, okay, and just crop it. So when you crop it and you're done with it, that's it. Okay, so when done with it, just move this one, drag selection mark forward. Then when you click on it, it's going to be progress. Okay, so we're going to be progress. Okay, so we just need this, not too much. So when it begins to reach here, okay, let me just cover this. So let's make this and see. So simple. So just track it and it's boom. So when you're done with it, just search blur. Okay, so when you're done with the blur, drag it, the camera blur, and drag it to the first one. Okay, you can just make it much, but it depends about how you're going to make it. But I prefer to make it 10%, not too much 100%. I want to make it 10%. Then I'll move to the mask filter. Then I will just fill in and see how it's going to be, and see, boom. So let's see before and after. So this is the one hack I've shown you right now today. Okay, and second one too. This is how you're going to grade. Okay, if you want to grade your footage, and this is your footage, okay, and you want to do any of color grading stuff, this is how you're going to start it. Let's open the luminal, the magnetic alpha inside color, and then when you get to here, just drag this. So I create my adjustment layer. Just right click and new item, and then you move to adjustment layer. When you're done, just drag it to here. So when you drag it to here, just make sure you just check, because I'm always just make sure that everything's going to be work for me well. So some footage like this, when you get some footage like this is how you're going to process everything. Okay, so this is how I used to play with my grade. Okay, so you always need to try. Okay, you need to follow all the steps. Don't make it too warm, and then you push the grain, and then the little yellow, the temperature, and then and then you just drag it to here, and you increase the saturation. Let's say, boom. So simple. So I make my grade so easy for myself. And when you get to that and you want to add more, just move to the footage, and you can just control it over there to make the black match. Okay, and then you push this one too, and make sure here it's going to be light down like this. Okay, before, after, and let's see here. After. Okay guys, so I'm awake. Subscribe to my page. I'm going to drop more videos for you to learn, and see you for the next video. Bye.